Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will discuss the concept of waterfall model in software development. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. So let's get started. Waterfall model. In a waterfall model, we have 5 phases: requirements, design, implementation, test, installation, and maintenance. Let us go to the first one. Requirements defines needed information, function, behavior, performance, and interfaces. Design data structures, software architecture, interface, representations, algorithmic details. Implementation, source code, database, user documentation, testing. Okay, so let us discuss also about what are the strengths of using waterfall model in software development. Number 1, easy to understand in use. Number 2, provide structure to inexperienced staff. 3. Milestones are well understood. 4. Set requirements stability. 5. Good for management control, plan, staff, track. And then for 6, we have here works well when quality is more important than cost or schedule. Let us go to the deficiencies or disadvantages of using waterfall model in software development. First, all requirements must be known upfront. Second, deliverables created for each phase are considered frozen, inhibits flexibility. Third, can give a false impression of progress. Fourth, does not reflect or problem-solving nature of software development iterations of phases. Fifth, integration is one big bang at the end. 6. Little opportunity for customer to preview the system until it may be too late. Let us proceed when to use waterfall model in software development. First, requirements are very well known. Second, product definition is stable. Third, technology is understood. Fourth, new version of an existing product. Fifth, porting an existing product to a new platform. Thank you for watching. That is the end of my discussion on waterfall model in software development. Please support my channel by like, share, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos to come. Thank you so much guys for listening. This is your friend Jake says until to the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.